Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Apodaca. I had a question about how to remove students. So I played around with it and I just wanted to share that with you guys just in case anyone else had the same question. When you go into your classroom, hit people, you'll see all your students. If you want to remove someone, you click the little box next to the student and then actions drops down and you can find the button for remove. All right, it's pretty simple. I had no idea until I played around with it. Also, I created this outline for my students that has each day of the week and a quick explanation of what they should be doing. I also included some online materials that are not mandatory because I've had many parents come to me and say, well, I don't have technology at home, so what am I supposed to do? So I figured I'd just make it very aware that it is not mandatory. But if you want me to share this outline with you guys, let me know. I will be more than happy to do so. That's about it. Thank you.